Easy one-pan creamy garlic prawn risoni recipe, budget-friendly and perfect for beginners. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a delicious and easy recipe for you, one-pan creamy garlic prawn risoni. It's perfect for beginners, affordable, and incredibly flavorful. So, before dive in, here are some benefits of one-pan creamy garlic prawn risoni recipe. Quick and easy preparation. This recipe is beginner-friendly and doesn't require advanced cooking skills. The one-pan method simplifies the cooking process, making it a convenient option for busy individuals or those new to cooking. Affordable ingredients. The recipe utilizes budget-friendly ingredients like risoni, prawns, garlic, and vegetables, making it a cost-effective meal option. Nutrient-rich components. Prawns are a good source of lean protein, and the addition of tomatoes and peas provides essential vitamins and minerals. The dish incorporates a variety of food groups, contributing to a well-balanced meal. Customizable. The recipe is versatile, allowing for personalization based on taste preferences. You can adjust the level of creaminess, add more vegetables, or experiment with different herbs and spices. Time saving. The one-pan cooking method not only simplifies the preparation but also reduces the cleanup time, making it a practical choice for those with a busy schedule. Family-friendly. The creamy garlic prawn risoni is likely to be enjoyed by both adults and children, making it a family-friendly dish. Impressive presentation. The colorful combination of prawns, tomatoes, and peas, along with the creamy texture of the dish, makes it visually appealing. It's suitable for both casual dinners and more formal gatherings. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tasty recipe. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients? For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of risoni, or orzo pasta, 250 grams of fresh prawns, peeled and deveined, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved, ½ cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth, ½ cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Preparation. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Heat a large pan over medium heat. Add oil to the pan, drizzle some olive oil into the pan. Sauté garlic, add minced garlic and sauté until it becomes fragrant. Add prawns, toss in the prawns and cook until they turn pink and opaque. Add tomatoes and peas, throw in the halved cherry tomatoes and frozen peas. Stir for a couple of minutes until the tomatoes start to soften. Add risoni, pour in the risoni and give it a good stir to coat it in all those delicious flavors. Pour broth. Now, let's add our chicken or vegetable broth. This will cook the risoni and infuse it with even more taste. Simmer. Let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the risoni is cooked through and has absorbed the liquid. Add cream and parmesan, pour in the heavy cream and sprinkle in the Parmesan cheese. Stir until everything is creamy and well combined. Season. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning according to your preference. And there you have it, our one-pan creamy garlic prawn risoni is ready to be served. Garnish with some fresh parsley for that extra pop of color and flavor. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this easy and budget-friendly recipe. If you give it a try, don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you very much one-pan creamy garlic prawn risoni lovers.